That never gets old. Wake up, Boom! I heard something. I'm sure it's just a figment of your processor. Okay, I'm out. Show yourself, intruder. Ooh, he's a quick one. Still got it.
Boom was so scared.
It's even better than I imagined.
Very funny, you two. We got him good, huh? I knew it was you two the whole time.
Sure you did, Boom.
What brings you two pranksters here at this hour?
Only the midnight premiere of the greatest spy movie ever?
The James Bond.
My dad is taking us. He's been a James Bond fan since he was a kid. He loves the one where Bond went to a moon base.
The name is Boom. Agent Boom, baby. Boom, it's about to blow. I'm coming, Ranger. There's a lot of lasers in here. Here comes the kaboom, baby. Yahoo!
Boom! Boom, are you okay?
Yes, hello. What's happening? I was just telling the boys about Lieutenant Commander Ian Fleming, the original British spy.
Did he have cool gadgets?
And drive fast cars?
Even better, he was the author who invented James Bond.
James Bond was a book?
Many great movies were inspired by books.
This I gotta see. Oh, Boom!
Watch out, people. Here we go.
It smells like a locker room in here.
Indeed, we are roughly 400 feet below the surface, just off the coast of Spain.
Wait, we're in a submarine?
The HMS Seraph, to be precise.
This is so rad.
That's one funny-looking torpedo.
That's no torpedo. It's a specifically designed airtight canister meant to preserve the body of British Major William Bill Martin, or should I say, Glyndŵr Michael.
There's a dead guy in there?
Rest in peace, Bill.
That's gnarly.
Okay, we're getting ahead of ourselves.
When the Allies took control of North Africa, both sides figured the next stop would be Sicily.
But if the Axis forces knew the Allied invasion was coming, they would beef up their resistance. So the Allies wanted to fool Hitler into thinking the invasion wasn't at Sicily.
So, the dead guy is part of some messed up spy game?
More or less, when two British counterintelligence officers... Spies! Two spies came across a recently poisoned loner named Glyndŵr Michael, a man with no close friends or family. They set out to achieve a risky deception, partially inspired by Fleming's inventive writings. Thus began Operation Mincemeat.
The spies created a new identity for Glyndŵr. In death, he became British Major Bill Martin of the Royal Marines. They invented his family and gave him an impressive education, along with the best clothing money can buy.
They even had a female employee at the intelligence agency mock up a series of love letters as if they were from his fiancée.
Okay, I'm seeing the similarities to Bond now.
What does a fancy education and a fake girlfriend have to do with Sicily?
The more convincing they made Major Bill's backstory, the easier it would be to plant believable tactical misinformation. It was time to send the Germans the bill! Not so fast, Boom. We're not quite finished with the briefcase. Briefcase. Get it? His funny bone must be sold separately. The briefcase had to be convincing. It held various fake personal items like stamps, keys, a cross, and even an overdraft statement.
Then came the really important documents. Official, top-secret letters written in code. The documents explained how the Allies planned to invade Greece, some distance to the east of Sicily.
On April 30th, the crew of the HMS Seraph gave Major Bill Martin a life jacket and chained the briefcase around his waist.
And sent the Germans the bill. Not exactly. Handing Bill and his briefcase directly over to the Germans may have been too obvious. The Spanish were neutral, but the British suspected that they would turn over the documents to the Nazi spies for political favor.
The official documents were taken to the German embassy in Spain, where they were copied and replaced in their original envelopes.
Whoa, I can't even open a birthday card without tearing the envelope.
The Spanish returned the briefcase to Great Britain, but Ian Fleming and his fellow agents were able to determine that documents had been copied. They sent a secret message to Winston Churchill when they learned the Germans had moved their forces out of Sicily and into Greece. Mincemeat, swallowed whole. Operation Mincemeat wasn't just a clever trick. It saved tens of thousands of lives. With the enemy focused on Greece, the Allied invasion of Sicily was a tremendous success, bringing them one step closer to ending the war for good.
That was awesome!
Before there was Bond, there was Bill! Some of the most inspirational stories can be found throughout the pages of history. Perilous tales of sacrifice and courage, critical moments where strategy and intellect prevailed.
That's my dad. You ready, Zane?
Let's do this!
I can't wait to tell my dad about Bill.
Sorry about the snake, guys.
No apology necessary. I wasn't scared. You're right. You were utterly terrified. That's not how I remember it. Woo! Baby. They programmed me with a startle reflex. I wasn't actually scared.
Let's go.
Boom, baby! And don't forget to subscribe. Boom, baby!